Hi guys, it's Bet from Avery Home Decor, and I am revealing my client's mantle. Remember, I left a video earlier letting you know I would be staging this for the holidays for them, and this is the before look. I'm going to take you through the steps on how I got to the finished look. So enjoy and let me know in the comments what you think. So with this mantle, I just started to build from the center. So this is my base. This is what I'm going to start from. And those trees at the bottom, I actually changed out. You'll see that later. I added these stockings and this white garland. I've got a story behind it. So let me go ahead and get into that. If you're interested in purchasing this garland, it's actually a filler for a vase. I got it from Z Gallery, and I had no idea on how to make it work in my vases, so I gave it to my client, and as you can see, it works as a really good filler for your mantle. If you'd like to see the haul for this staging for this mantle, I'll leave the link in the description box for you. Alright, so this is actually what the trees look like once I replace them. I put the two gold and silver ones down here with some feathers, guys. Remember I told you I was going to use those feathers in that haul I did. And I was able to accent these white trees with a little gold ribbon around them because they kind of got washed away with the brick in the back. I'm going to go ahead and point out some of the things my client loved about this mantle. She loved the feathers. Remember, I wasn't sure how I was going to use and incorporate them in this mantle. I was actually able to use them as fillers, as you can see behind the Christmas trees, and it made them look a little bit like snow. So she loved that. I can also let you know she loved those little trees. She thought they were the cutest thing. The couple enjoyed this particular area. It'll come in handy for New Year's Eve, for entertaining guests, and I was so happy that the couple gave me a thumbs up on refreshing this room. I'm going to give you one quick look, and then I'm going to show you the blanket that they purchased from a collaboration I did with LynnLov. They saw it and they thought it was a luxury throw they wanted to add to this room, and they got it in the color gray. I know some of you were saying you like the color gray, so now you get to see what that color looks like. And you can also check out the link I'll leave in the description box if you want to see the color that I did the collaboration on in white. Alright, here is the color of that blanket in gray for all of you who were saying you like the gray. Here's what it looks like. And as a thank you, I'll be getting her the white one to match her decorations. And I will see you guys on the next one. Thanks so much for watching, and happy holidays.